Hey everybody, in another video I reviewed the Lavalier Go microphone system, and this is a little companion video to that. I'm going to talk about a few of the accessories that you can use to expand this system and make it a little bit more functional for you, as well as a few tips and advice on how to use the Rode microphone more effectively. My name is Doug Fall, and this is Augmented Actor, a channel for actors to augment their acting career with tips, tactics, and tech. And we're all about the tech today. So I've already talked about the features of the Lavalier Go in my other video, but now I want to talk about a few awesome accessories that I am using all the time. If you want to record onto an iPhone or an Android phone or even a Mac computer, this little cord that comes with it does not work. You can't plug this in and get the audio to come out of here. Well, why is that? Because both of these prongs have two bands on them. They're like mini jacks, and they have two bands. And Mac products in particular, but also Android phones, have to have a 3-band prong. So you need a little adapter like this. Now I have this adapter linked, and all the items in this video are linked in the description below. So check those links out. You use this for a PC computer. This, if you're using it for Zoom or whatever, this will work. But for Macs, this is the cord you need. So this allows you to plug right into your Android phone. You can record audio directly to the phone. Now, if you're using an iPhone, you need a dongle, another adapter to add onto the end, and that is because iPhones don't have the mini jack anymore, so you need to put this into your Thunderbolt port, your charging port on your phone. Now, you can't charge your phone and use this at the same time, so make sure you have your phone fully charged before you do some recording, but this is basically what you need, the dongle. Another awesome accessory that many users want is the actual wired lav mic. I don't actually own one. It does increase the quality of your audio, and it allows you to place a less cumbersome unit on your body. The weight of these when they're on your collar can make them bend forward. That is why some people want to use the wired microphone that goes with this unit. So you put that in there, and then you can run that up your shirt and clip that on your shirt and put this in your pocket. But if you don't have that, the wired microphone, clip it on the side of your collar like this. And then that way the sound still sounds pretty good. It's still pretty balanced, and it won't bend forward or touch your chest like that. The other thing you can do is you can get a big piece of medical tape and just tape it on your chest underneath your shirt or your bosom. And if not that, you can also clip it onto a bra. You can strap an ace bandage or wear a tank top underneath and clip it onto that. And when it's under your shirt, it really doesn't show that much. It doesn't pop out or bulge out like a lav mic might. So those are some options for attaching this to your body. Now, another accessory that you might want to use is the Rode Interview Go. Sometimes you might want to go outside and interview other people when you're shooting your videos. So it's nice to have this portable on a microphone stand. And it goes with the Rode. It clips right into the stand very easily like that. And then you put a wind dampener on there, and you have a microphone where you can talk to somebody like this, and it's really great for outdoor use. I use it in my videos all the time. I just hold it out of frame a little bit, and I can point it right at my mouth. So this is super useful. It feels good. It's balanced in your hand. There's a flat portion on the handle where your thumb can grip it really well. It's lightweight, but one little thing I don't like is the Rode microphone symbol on this. So another accessory is these really inexpensive wind dampener muffler doohickey thingies, and you can get these really cheap. I'll put some links down below, and these can go on any microphone that you happen to be carrying around. So I'm here with the handheld mic system, and you can see that as I talk into the microphone, it sounds like this, and if I were to turn it toward another person, it sounds like this. So it's an omnidirectional microphone, so it picks up sound around you. It's a convenient microphone to have while you're out on the road talking to other people. Now, if you don't want to use your microphone as a clip-on, you don't have the wired mic, you just want a table mic like this one here. Perhaps you're doing a podcast, perhaps you're doing a voiceover, perhaps you're doing a Zoom call and you just don't want to have a microphone clipped where it's visible anywhere. You just get a little mini tripod like this that has a screw in it, and you have to buy this little accessory, which is a simple cold shoe mount. It's got the screw in there and you just screw that on to the top of the unit like that and slide your microphone right in like that. Then you pinch these little muffler wind guard thingies in like that, and you have a wind guarded device unit that you can record. And you can also pick this up and use it as a handheld microphone as well. It's a great little accessory. So I highly recommend getting one of those if you're going to be needing your microphone in front of you like I have here. I have links to all of the things that I mentioned in this video down in the YouTube description below. And incidentally, anytime you purchase a product through one of my links, I get a little tiny commission. It helps me keep bringing these videos to you. So feel free to click on those links and maybe buy a car or a boat or something. So that's it. Now you can use your iPhone, your Android phone, your Mac computer. You can go out and interview people on the streets. You can mount your Rode onto a mini tripod and use it for podcasts and Zoom calls. You're all set. If you didn't see my original review, it's on your screen right now. There's also some other videos that you might be interested in watching. Thank you for joining me today, and we will see you next time.